Hello everyone, welcome back to an Italian in my kitchen. I am Erica and today I thought that we could make a delicious appetizer recipe. I thought we could make an easy baked caprese strudel. So we have our typical caprese ingredients. We have tomatoes, mozzarella and basil, but we're going to put all those delicious ingredients into a puff pastry and close it up. So that's how we create our strudel part. So let's just stop talking and let's go make it. So first of all, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. And also take a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper. Then we're going to take a medium frying pan and we'll add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half an onion chopped, 1 or 2 cloves of garlic minced. We'll place this on medium heat and cook it until the onion is transparent. Then add 2 or 3 medium to large ripe tomatoes that have been chopped and seeded, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of basil. Mix everything together, simmer just until soft and lightly brown. Then take the pan off the heat and put it aside. Then we're going to take our puff pastry. You can make your own puff pastry or you can get the store-bought one, which is much easier. We're going to take our parchment paper. Once you have your puff pastry, just roll it a little bit so it can spread. Then take your tomato mix again and spread it evenly down the middle of the puff pastry. Top with about half a cup, or if you want some more, firm mozzarella that's been shredded, and some fresh basil leaves. Then take a knife and we're going to make slits on both sides of the dough that's not touching the filling and reach just about the filling. And then crisscross the slits over the mixture, just like this. And we have closed our strudel. And the last thing we need to do is to make an egg wash, which we're going to make with 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of water. We'll beat this together and we'll brush the top of the pastry with our egg mixture so that it gets an even nicer golden crust. Then transfer your strudel on top of your baking sheet. And we're going to bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes or until it's nice and golden. Make sure that it's also golden brown at the bottom of the strudel so you know that it's completely baked. So I'll see you very soon. We'll just let it sit for about 5 minutes so it can rest and cool down, and then we'll be ready to cut it and serve it and taste test it, which is the most important part. Guess what time it is? It's time to taste test. I am ready to eat this. Not only taste test, because it smells so good. The smell that comes from it is just amazing. It's just making my mouth water. Look at that golden brown on top, like that crust. And then we have the mozzarella that you can see is all melted inside, plus the tomato mix. It just, oh, it looks amazing. Okay, I can't wait to eat it. Let me try it. Buon appetito. It's nice and crumbly and very puffy, just like puff pastry should be. Perfect appetizer. It's so flaky and so tender all at the same time. We have that tomato that comes through, that mozzarella that just melts in your mouth, the basil. It's just, as we said, it's a caprese strudel, so it's exactly that. It's really, really good. I suggest you make it and then you let me know what you think in the comment section below. And as always, you know, I will leave all the ingredients, links and measurements in the description box. You can find all the recipes on anitalianinmykitchen.com. And as always, if you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!